this is my face with just the basic three: concealer, blush, and contour.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be creating a soft clean girl look. As seen earlier, I have applied my concealer and contour, and I'm taking my time to blend out the areas seamlessly to give a skin-like finish.
After blending out my contour, I apply my cream blush, and using a brow gel, I tint my brow. I apply cream contour to my eyelids to give a bronze look. Blend out my light concealer. Set my face with a pressed powder and big face with a setting powder, and followed by a translucent powder. Applying eyeshadow to my eyes to enhance my bronze look. Dust out the excess powder off my face. Powder my full face, and using a black liner to sharpen my eyes, align my lips with a brown lip liner, brown lipstick, new lipstick. That's my face.
I love this lip so much, and I don't know if I want to make it glossy.
Look forward to apply a powder blush, mascara for my upper lashes, and lower lashes. Voila!